So, in my last episode, I went around with a real estate photographer, Mike Gerard, one of the key pieces to selling your home. This week, another key piece to helping you sell your home is a stager. So I'm going to be interviewing Jessica Dolan of Room to Breathe. So stay tuned. All right, so Room to Breathe. Tell me how you got started.
We got started in 2004. I was working in healthcare, and I was dealing with people bringing in crumples of insurance paperwork, and I was doing visits to homes that were just cluttered messes, and people were sick. And I was too young to be feeling that sad every day, so I decided to quit. The day after I decided to quit, the organizing shows came on TV. I had no idea all the things that I did very naturally, people were making money at. So I started my business the next day.
Right. They say if you could find a job doing what you would do for free,
yes,
that's your bliss.
And that's how I started. As a kid, two of my best friends were my complete opposite. Their bedrooms were pigsties. Sorry, Margo and Karen. And all I wanted to do was clean their bedrooms. I didn't want to go play. I just wanted to clean their bedrooms.
Right.
So.
And for those who don't really know, we have an inventory shortage all over the country, and one of the things that helps move a property is the staging part. So talk a little bit about that.
So staging, the act of staging, is so that you sell a house quickly and you get your asking price. Ultimately, my goal is to get multiple offers on a property, but that doesn't always happen. So some of the top things to do if you do nothing else to get your house ready is depersonalize, pack away kids' artwork, diplomas, I'm trying to think of some other weird things.
Ashes, did you say ashes?
I did say
you tell me about a story about ashes?
Say that again.
Ashes, I mean, no, that's...
I went to move something that I thought was just a vase, and the person said to me, "Oh, that's my so-and-so." And I was like, "Oh, okay.
Right.
Well,
So,
maybe we could put it somewhere else."
So I think a lot of people, and I understand that if you've lived in the house for a while, you're really attached to it,
Yes.
and you want to show the house as if it was yours.
Right.
But the idea is to show it so that it's generic and anybody can see their vision of what the house should be, right?
Right, but still lived in. Like, I don't like to stage so it looks so pristine that nobody could live there. I like it to look still inviting.
Right.
And even when I sell my own houses, I have my staging assistant go through, because even for me, you get so used to seeing things the way they are that you don't see it from an outside perspective.
Right. So what is the hardest part of it, the biggest challenge of what you do?
So I'm a planner, everybody knows. So for me, the biggest challenge is people will call me like days before they want to put their house on the market.
Right.
But it needs to be painted, it needs to be cleaned, it needs to be landscaped. So there's sort of that.
Yeah, so, yeah.
I like a little more planning time to pull it off successfully, but that's the nature of the business.
So if someone's thinking about putting their house on the market this spring, well, like, how much lead time is like optimal?
For the houses I see, you want to give yourself at least a couple of weeks, and that's partially because all the contractors are busy. So if you do need help painting and landscaping, you need to get on those calendars too.
Right.
So, and I always say, even if you're thinking of selling in the next 1 to 3 years, it's not too early to meet with a stager or meet with a realtor and start seeing what you
asking
can
questions
do.
like, what's going to make this more marketable?
Exactly.
Whether it's a kitchen or a bathroom or finishing a basement.
Right.
Tell me some of the biggest challenges of what you do.
I deal a lot with emotions, so selling a house is very emotional. A lot of times you're selling because there's a divorce or a death or a move out of the state. So it's not only getting the house ready and everything that goes along with that, but managing the personalities and the emotions that go into that as well. And that can be incredibly challenging.
Right. And other than the fact that it's your baby, what do you love about what you do?
I love the flexibility of my own hours, my own time, taking on projects that I want to take on and not taking on things I don't want to take on. I have a problem with authority, so I never really worked well with others.
So you're kind of a rebel.
It's better if I just kind of do my own thing and manage my own days. And,
Right.
so far, so good.
And what do you do when you're not staging? What do you do for fun? What's your getaway?
The outdoors. So I'm usually way out in the woods. I actually just wrecked my car deep in the woods where I shouldn't have been.
Wow.
So that's my quiet time.
So if somebody wanted to utilize your services, how would they get in contact with you?
They could get in touch with me via email, jessicadolin@roomtobreathe.us. They can call me, 814-360-1063, same number, forwards or backwards.
Oh,
A free hour to the person that tells me what that's called.
It's called a palindrome. Boom!
All right, you would have gotten a free hour anyway. Or my website, or Facebook, or Instagram.
Yeah,
or
your Facebook, or no, your website.
www.roomtobreathe.us, and don't forget the E on the end of breathe.
Yes, because I'm sure that happens to you all the time. Any major goals for as we finish up? Any major goals for this year?
This year has already kick-started, and it's going to be our best year yet. So already I know that. So it's been awesome. And I am so grateful to everybody who has made that happen.
Now, is it just you? Are you having a team that works with?
So I consider my team all of my people, my organizing assistant Candy, all my painters, all my landscapers, all my cleaners, everybody. That's my team. And I have a really solid crew right now.
Yeah, so it's not just staging. There's other things that are involved. Just give us a little bit about that.
Well, the staging led to design work. So people would like what we did when we staged their homes, and then started calling us into their new homes after they moved.
Wow, so you just keep growing.
Well, I just kind of fell into that, and I really enjoy it. I enjoy creating homes that not only look good, but function for families as well.
Well, being in your home, you do have a gift. You're like a savant with this stuff. So I appreciate you spending time, and thank you, and best of luck for 2018.
Thank you. I appreciate it.